Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Easter achievement in Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This achievement come in the last update of the Easter event in Grow a Garden. And if you want to see the quest or the mission, you can go to the guide menu, select achievements, and go to the minute achievement. Okay, and this is about the Easter achievements. Basically, you need to complete 17 quests, and I've already completed 4 of them. Okay, these are the quests, guys, and I think it's not impossible to complete. Yeah, just like this, you need to plant and you need to harvest and you need to hatch golden eggs as well, and also the springtide eggs, and open the Easter seed pack and obtain gummy bear, beaver, and hootsie roll. And you can get all these pets from the Easter shop. Okay, yeah, just like that. I think it's not that hard, but it's also not easy. But you can still complete it. Okay guys, and that's all about the Easter achievement in Grow Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!